oh, do I have something for you. Stay tuned. Hey sitters, welcome back to another video. It's Lydia, and I am so excited to share with you what I've been up to for the past couple months. But first, if you're new, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything coming your way. I have been creating with an artist some designs that are original to create educational games for you guys to download, create, and take and play with the kids that you babysit. So I want to go through some of those things and show you what I've come up with and how they can be played. And I'm just excited to share this with you. So let's dive in. If you guys have been with me long enough, you know that I love putting an educational touch on everything that I do and insert it anywhere I can. I want to show you, I have so much going on here. I want to show you a little bit of everything that I've done and the kind of games that I've created. And they're for all ages. I've come up with different types of games to develop their different skills. So things like color matching, number recognition, letter recognition, telling time, contractions, but matching animals with their homes, pattern matching, opposites. I'll be adding rhyming and sight words. And so there's a bunch of different skills that these games will touch on. Let's talk about the first category, which is colors. So I have a little alien and a spaceship. So this is my color matching game, and you can make it easier for them by coloring. So if you have younger kids who are still learning their colors or matching colors, you can color both the alien pink and the spaceship pink. And then a bonus would be that they're starting to recognize that word with the color. But if you have older kids who are starting to learn to read, you can keep this blank and just have the word so that they're looking at the color and they have to find the word that matches. This is what the PDF looks like. So as you can tell, they're both on the same sheet, and I've kept it like that so you don't have to print out 20 sheets. I've kept kind of the same pieces on one sheet. So there's 10 of these, and for the color category, it's not going to be just aliens and spaceships. There's going to be different versions of this game with different, like there'll be a lily pad and a frog, and a duck in a pond, and there's going to be things that maybe if your kids like horses, there's going to be things for that if they don't like aliens and spaceships. For my next game is for the younger ones who are just learning their animals, and I have where they need to match the animal in their home. So I have a horse in a barn, I have a bird in the nest, I have a duck in a pond, I have a fish in a bowl, and a dog in a house. So there's 5 in that set, and the kids really like to do that one because it's really learning about where the animals live, not only what they say, but where they live as well. Moving on to time, telling time, recognizing time. So the first one I have is the bird set, and it is a bird with the digital number on it, the nest with the clock that shows the hands of where the hands point, and then the written out time as well. Now, this one, you can take out the nest, you can take out the bird, you can take out the egg. You can do a lot with these 3-piece set. Like I said earlier, this is what the PDF document looks like. So you have all the pieces. There's 12 of them, every one for the hour, obviously. That's that one. And then again, we have a different variation of it with the dog house, and the bone. I don't want to make this video too long, but I have so many other games that I want to get into, so I'll just kind of show you real quick. I have letter recognition games. I have opposite games that are different variations of that game. I really like this one because they do have to put the boat together. This is number recognition, so they have to put the word 5 together, the number 5 and the dots of the 5, and then it creates a little sailboat. And I thought that was really cute. And again, that's all on one piece of paper. So you can cut out and create that. So the next game I have is pattern recognition. And so I have 2 sets here. And for pattern recognition, you're gonna have a boy and a girl. And they're going to have matching outfits. So here's all the girls' dresses. Here's all the boys' outfits. And they have to find the outfits that match and dress the boy and girl. So so it just basically looks like this, and it helps with pattern recognition. And I have some hard ones in there. I have some easy ones that somewhat look like other patterns, so that they really have to take a look at it and make sure that it's the same. And for that one, this is what the PDF looks like. So this is the one set of boy and girl. This is what the closed PDF looks like. You'll be able to print that out. So obviously you can see that the patterns are not on there, but what I did is found this book at a craft store, and it's just a scrapbooking book, and it has all these kind of different patterns in there. And these patterns both fit on this book. So I just traced it out, cut it out, and laminated it. So that's what that looks like. And I'll leave that link down in the description below so you can find this book. I love playing these games, and as you can see, this is the Alien and Spaceship game. That is travel size, guys. So I just slip this into my backpack or my babysitting bag, and they're very simple. Sometimes I play them, sometimes I don't. I will put all the information and the links down in the description below. I hope you guys download these and play these with your kids and have fun doing so. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.